Let me show you how to connect LinkedIn pages and profiles to Claude using Insightful Pipe. On Insightful Pipe, go to Connectors and click Add Connection. Select LinkedIn page and profile from the available platforms. Choose your access level. I'll select Read plus Write, then click Connect to LinkedIn pages. Sign in with your LinkedIn credentials to authorize the connection. Select the organization you want to connect and click Connect. You'll see the MCP server page with the connection URL. Copy this URL. In Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Paste the MCP URL, give it a name, and click Add. The connector is now added. Let's start a new chat. I'll ask Claude to collect LinkedIn organization data for the last 90 days, including follower count, growth, posts, and engagement metrics. I'm also requesting a performance summary with top posts and growth insights. Claude loads the LinkedIn Pages tools and starts querying the data. It retrieves account details, checks available actions, and fetches all the data. Here's the LinkedIn performance report with followers, impressions, clicks, and engagement rate. The report includes follower growth, monthly trends, and post performance. It also provides key insights and recommendations, all from your live LinkedIn data. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit insightfulpipe.com today.